Hello, welcome back to filming in a different location than the last video.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Today is the long-awaited thrift haul that I've talked about many times, and we're doing it. I went to Texas Thrift with Ravi and went off. So I'm gonna show you a couple things, and I'm also going to include a few tips for thrifting because I'm a seasoned professional. I have been doing this for a long time, so I figured out a couple ways to find better things and to maybe think of things that you might not normally pick up and pick them up because there's things that you can do. Where do I start? Where do I begin? So the first thing I picked up is this shirt. Whoever Corey Kent White is from Oklahoma, he's a singer-songwriter, Oklahoma, USA. I really liked the colors and the design of this. I don't know who it is, but that's kind of the fun of thrifting. With this shirt, you could pair it with just a pair of, I would do green shorts with navy. Green and navy look really good together. Green shorts, white sneakers, and some sort of accessory that is maybe white or red to tie it all together. And it's a good summer outfit. This shirt says Marine Corps Recruit Training. I'm trying to read this backwards in the viewfinder. Marine Corps Recruit Training says been there, done that. Neither of those statements are true for me. I like the shirt, and it's a very, I wish you wouldn't. I wish you wouldn't. I really do. Hang on, I'm losing my mind. Tip number one for successful thrifting is go to your size and look at everything. If you go to your size, like I'm a large, start at one end of the large section for the shirt, go through everything. Don't just look at something that jumps out at you because you're gonna miss really good stuff if you just skim through. So I start on one end and I go all the way through, and then I will go a size up, because a lot of people would say that wearing like a size up is unflattering for your body, but if you dress it correctly, then it is flattering. Oh. Sometimes when I go thrifting, there's things that you can't pass up. I can't tell you the last time I wore tie-dye, but like when you find a shirt that says got crabs on it, this is just one of those things that I had to get it. And if I see something with a spelling error or just something ridiculous, then I have to get it, and there's nothing wrong with that. Just like pair of khaki shorts, beige shorts. I wear white sneakers with any sort of outfit with shorts just because it's easy. Invest in solid black and solid white shoes because it makes your life so much easier. My go-to shoes are all white Adidas sneakers that I thrifted and solid black combat boots that I thrifted, and I wear those interchangeably. Okay, so the next three things that I got are actually kind of hard to find, like in your size. I have these basic brown, blue, and this like sage, jade, not mint, green. Yeah. Green, and those are going to be featured in an upcoming video. If you see something basic that is a color you like I love earth tones, you can upcycle it, make it more appealing. Basically, when you're thrifting, it can be hard to look past what an article of clothing is on first glance, but if you look at it and think of ways that you might be able to upcycle it, you might be able to change it, modify it, maybe cut it up, or just like a way to style it. There's certain things that you can do, just the littlest things that can make something look more expensive than it is. So it's important when you're thrifting not to look at something just for what it is at base level. This might not make much sense at first glance, but this is also going to be featured in the next video. I'm gonna upcycle it into something, which is gonna be a surprise, but make sure that you go look at that video once it's up. And this is another example of think of something that you can do further than what it is pre-existing. Sometimes you buy something knowing that it's not gonna fit you, but you can't pass it up. That's what happened. It's a short sleeve mock neck with vertical stitching. It's much too tight for me. Not very flattering, but with the proper layering and the proper amount of denial, it fits perfectly. I would wear this with black jeans with a jacket. It's 86 degrees out. Something to keep in mind is thrifting out of season but primarily in the summer, looking in the outerwear, jackets, sweaters section. During the summer, like spring, summer months, people are gonna be less likely to look in that section, which means that it's not gonna be picked as clean. So you're gonna find some of your best stuff, like sweaters and jackets, when it's not the right weather to wear them. Probably the best thing that I found on this trip is this sweater. So it has a really nice neckline. I'm a big fan of greens, navies, and whites, and creams, which is this entire sweater. I love color blocking, and I love the sort of varsity style of the sleeves. I would just pair this with a pair of jeans and Chelsea boots, or black or brown boots, doesn't really matter, just depending on the occasion. And finally, from this haul, is this jacket. It's like the illusion of a bomber jacket, and on the inside, as per this entire haul apparently, has, come on now, come on sis. Houndstooth in navy, green, and beige. So, and with jeans and boots, it's a nice like fall outfit, nice outfit to like take pictures in. And this jacket's pretty versatile. It's waterproof from what I've seen, and it's really nice. It was only $6 at Texas Thrift. And another important tip for thrifting is to mind the discounts, because a lot of places like Goodwill, Texas Thrift, all sorts of thrift stores, at least in Texas and Oklahoma, will tag things with different colors, and on different days of the week, different colored tags are discounted. Like for example, the day we went on Monday. Blue tags were 50% off, yellow tags were 35% off, and you'll save a lot of money.
1, 2, 3, funky.
I think thrifting, it's fun and you find a lot of unique stuff, you save a lot of money, but it's also really important for sustainability. Reusing and recycling clothes rather than buying more clothes that need to be produced from scratch is really helpful in reducing waste. There's a stigma that if you can afford to buy newer clothes, that it's almost offensive or rude to go to thrift shops because there's people that have to shop there. But if you think about it from a sustainability standpoint and you're just trying to cut down on fabric waste, then you're helping the environment. So there's really nothing wrong with saving money, finding unique items, and helping the planet. If you would like for me to do more content regarding sustainability, I have an upcycling video on the way, so look out for that. But if you want me to talk more about ways you can change your habits that are more earth-friendly, then let me know. So if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like it and comment what you liked about the video, something that you want me to do in the future, just whatever. Engagement really helps me out, know what I should be changing, what I should be doing, and also gets my videos seen by more people, so hopefully I can build my audience up a little bit more. So if you want to keep on the lookout for the upcycling video, which will be coming up next, hopefully that'll be up this week, and let me know in the comments what you want me to do next, because I am willing and able to accept ideas. Yeah. See you next time.
Dream of you, and I help it if I dream of you ever.